A domain name is the address where internet user can access your website. A domain name is used for finding and identifying computers on the internet. Domain name is used to identify entities on the internet rather than using IP addresses. A domain name can be any combination of letters and numbers, and it can be used in combination of various domain name extensions such as .com, .net and many more. डोमेन इज लाइक आपकी प्रेजेंस या वजूद इस इंटरनेट की दुनिया में. Domain names are used to identify one or more IP addresses. For example, the domain name technicianbrothers.online represents about a dozen of IP addresses over it. Domain names are used in URLs to identify particular web pages. Having your own domain name, website and email address will give you and your business a more professional look. देखो यार, a domain name or just a domain is the name of your website. It's what come after @ in an email address or after www in web address. If someone asks how to find you online, what you tell, then it's usually your domain name. So about in domain name, .com was introduced as one of the first top-level domains when the domain name system was first implemented for use on the internet in Jan 1985. तो हमने अभी देखा डोमेन क्या है एंड अब हम देखते हैं डोमेन कैसे वर्क करता है. हाउ डज अ डोमेन वर्क? So when you enter a domain name in your web browser, it first sends a request to a global network of servers. Then from the domain name system DNS, these servers then look up for name servers associated with domains and forward this request to those name servers. This computer is called web server. Domains are available for free and paid both. For free, Bluehost is the best way to get free domain and many more. And for free, there are different domains available as per their service and policy. But you can go with GoDaddy because it's extremely popular and low price. But we can't get this domain name permanently. It's done on yearly basis. However, you can pre-buy for up to 10 years with guarantee that you will have a domain name. A domain name can be up to 63 characters including letters, numbers or combination. Long plus than 4 characters used to identify a domain extension .com, .net, .org. The only symbol character domain name can include hyphen, although the domain name cannot start or end with hyphen or have consecutive hyphens. We can say domains are defined by the IP addresses. All devices sharing a common part of IP addresses are said to be in the same domain. A web hosting is a type of internet hosting service that allows individuals and organizations to make their website accessible via the worldwide media. Web hosts are companies that provide space on a server owned or leased for by use of clients as well as providing internet connectivity, typically in a data center. Hosting is basically when a hosting provider allocates space on a web server for a website to store its file. They are hosting a website. Web hosting makes the file that comprise a website, code, image, etc. A server is a computer that connects over web server to your website or anywhere in the world. Now let's talk about best web hosting. So Bluehost, it is best web host overall. DreamHost has most affordable monthly plans. HostGator has best scalability for price. Hostinger has best cheap hosting plans. H2 Hosting is fast and reliable shared hosting. Now let's see how does hosting work. So web hosting are companies that rent out their services and technologies to host websites on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, user can access it by typing in your web address in the web browser. When they do this, their company connects to the server your website is hosted on. Now, most common types of web hosting which come across are shared hosting, virtual private server hosting, dedicated server hosting, cloud hosting, managed hosting, and colocation hosting. Web hosting can be done for free or paid, depend upon quality and service you want. And you can also host your website, but before you do so, there are limitations you need to take in consideration. You should know how to set up a www server software on your computer. For free, some best hosting sites are WordPress.com. WordPress.com is a popular free hosting platform that offers a unique flavor of WordPress. Wix. Wix is another fully hosted website builder that offers free website hosting. Weebly, GoDaddy website builder, Squarespace, Google Cloud Hosting, Amazon Web Services, and many more. The main purpose of web hosting is to give easy access to your website over the web. If you are planning to create a website, then web hosting is the most important factor as it stores your website files.